What's up, guys? What it be? So, I bet you're curious about the little car behind me, the little van behind me. Well, that belongs to Lorraine. She brought that all the way to Denver, Colorado from Seattle. And we're about to customize the shit out of this thing. So this little thing's actually pretty cool. It's a 1994 Suzuki Every van, K-van. It's got a body kit on it that makes it look like it's a VW van. Of course, it's a lot smaller than what you would see, and it's right-hand drive, which is dope. Yeah, we got some spare parts here. Side skirts, bumper. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna do a lot to this thing. We're gonna give it a full custom makeover, change the color, fix some of the little issues and stuff it has, body work, fitment, you know, the usual stuff. Already started taking apart the windows and stuff. Told them, don't take it apart. Don't take it apart too far. Gotta film it. But yeah, I'm digging this shit out of this thing. I told her just to let me have it, but she said no. We're off. Warp speed. I do that every time. Turn signals are on the right side. Left side. Those are still on. Pretty good. Correct. As you can see, we're being passed. So we're inside this cool little van. So I bet you're wondering, Cope, what are you guys doing with that thing? You guys don't build those. Well, Lorraine's family, and yes, we build anything. Here at TSC, we do whatever you guys want us to do, and we make it cool, and we put our spin on it. So, yeah, we do these. So with this cool little van, again, we're going to do some pretty cool stuff on it. Full repaint, body work. It's got a couple little rust spots. We're going to take care of all that. I know she wants to do the interior, and she wants to do maybe an engine upgrade. So we'll go ahead and do this from the passenger side, which in America would be the driver's side. This is right-hand drive, of course. As you can see, it's pretty stock. It's got a nice little stereo upgrade. I'm loving the shift knob. Cool little stereo. It's pretty basic, but the interior is straight out of 1994. In my opinion, it's actually pretty cool, but She wants to change it out, make it a little bit more modern. One of the cool things about it having all the glass and everything inside of here like the V-dubs do, this is really cool. I thought this cool little like side opening accordion style was pretty cool. I hadn't seen that before.